Are you confident in your food defense plan, or are you risking mistakes? Navigating the complex requirements of SQF can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program requirements. Let's dive into what you need to know. SQF food defense requirements. First, focus on identifying and assessing your potential risks. What physical threats could your facility face? Consider every possible angle, from contaminated equipment to unauthorized access. Next, establish robust mitigation strategies. You must ensure that you have concrete plans in place to protect against these threats. This might include the installation of secure entry points, surveillance systems, or regular employee training sessions. Documentation is key. Keep detailed records of your defense strategies, and ensure they are updated regularly. SQF auditors will look for evidence of your vigilance, so be prepared with current and comprehensive documents. Now, what should you be watching for? 1. Unsecured areas. Any lapse in secure access could be a vulnerability. Regular audits and checks can help safeguard these zones. 2. Supply chain security. Vet your suppliers thoroughly. Are they committed to security standards that match your own? 3. Employee vigilance. Training isn't just about procedures, it's about awareness. Are your employees equipped to recognize and report suspicious activities? If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. I can provide personalized guidance tailored to your facility's needs, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Book a strategy call with us today. Call us now at 1-236-513-2488 and take the first step towards a secure, hassle-free SQF certification journey.